Okay, this is the Aldi's boil in the bag. Don't get excited. We added the legs, crab legs. We added some more shrimp. We added lemon, a little zatarans. Okay, it looks good. All right, let's take some, see what it say. Okay, one for you. Here's some. I have crackers in here. Where are the crackers here? Some more crackers. Yeah. What do you think?
It's good.
Good?
The butter needs like something.
The butter needs something?
I think it's good. It's good, but it needs something. I feel like it's missing something. Oh no, it go at the bottom. That's why.
Oh, the seasoning.
Mix it.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. All right. Put it down in the bowl. Mm. Mm. I want to taste this corn. Let's see, because it's frozen.
It's good.
If it's, sweet. Mmm. Mmm. It's sweet. The corn is sweet. For frozen. Mm-hmm. I would think one bag would feed one very hungry person or two, nice little dinner for two. What you think?
Yeah. This is one bag or two.
This is 2 bags. And we added the crab legs. So, it's gonna fall.
No, it's not.
Cause she don't like to stay up there. Mmm. Mmm. Here you go. What about the potatoes?
They're good. I tried one.
Mm-hmm.
It's spicy. It's good.
Yeah.
With the butter? I don't know. I just ate some. Oh, the sausage.
I only, that's
Sausage is
andouille
spicy.
sausage.
It was good.
And I only put 1 packet in, one of the bag packets. And then we use 1 for this butter. Mmm. Let me try this.
Those are good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad they put black mussels in. I don't like green tip mussels. That's just me. I just don't care for them. The shrimp. The shrimp is small. I'm not gonna lie. Shrimp is small.
Not gonna lie.
They're good.
Well, that sausage.
Sausage is spicy. It's andouille. It's not the. I put kielbasa in it too. It's different. I'm gonna try it in andouille sausage. Ooh, it is spicy. Very spicy.
It's good though.
It's good, but too spicy for me. Ooh, wait. Yeah, that andouille spicy. That andouille sausage has a kick. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat all this. Good one. That one's for you guys. And we dipping in each other's butter because we family. No, mind your business. This is all right.
Look.
Nice ones. Yeah. All this seafood came from Aldi's. The crab legs, They were in the box, in the frozen section in Aldi. I think about $10, $12, something like that. I mean, it's a splurge, you know. Seafood costs so much. It's nice to be able to afford a little something. $9.99 for a bag of seafood. You get everything you need. You got the whole boil here. I think it'd be great for kids. You know, like I said, this sausage, it's good, but it's very spicy. Look at these mussels. See that? I like it. They didn't put a lot of shrimp, so we added a half a pound of shrimp. So the shrimp you see here is mostly ours. Thank you, boo. The potatoes are really good. The only thing we're missing is the eggs.
Yeah, boiled eggs.
Boiled eggs. So overall, what do you think? For the price point,
How much was it?
$9.99 for a bag. I got 2 bags.
I give it 7.
7. What about you?
6.5.
6.5? Well, yeah.
For $10?
For
I
$10.
think I'm not getting lucky with the crab today.
Oh, okay.
But the taste wise, I'll give it a 7.
Yeah. I definitely give it a solid 7. Definitely. Because, I mean, where are you going to get, you know, I mean, minus the crab legs. I mean, we added the crab legs. But for what you get in the bag, it's worth it.
I think you gotta break down the bag for them again.
Yeah. The bag comes with raw shrimp, corn on the cob, mussels, red skin potatoes, andouille sausage, and a seasoning packet. Seafood boil. I mean, like I said,
You can't beat it for the price.
for $9.99, you can't beat it. You go ahead, go grab yourself another box of crab legs in the freezer department. They're $12 for the bag, the box, I believe. And oh wow, that's what I'm talking about. And you can't go wrong, you know. So I want to thank you for joining us, and we're gonna eat. And you don't get a plate this time. You don't get a plate this time, but I'll save you some corn, okay? And a shrimp, okay? It's Mimi, Miss Monica to you, and God bless you. Bye.